This is the silicone case from Maxjoy. It's very similar to other silicone cases that have with the one-piece design that connects the top to the bottom with kind of a protruding area for the hinge. I don't like this necessarily because it makes it harder for you to wirelessly charge your AirPods. But what I do like is that it has a nice plug for the USB-C. And since I don't use the USB-C because I wirelessly charge my AirPods, it's nice to be able to plug that up. Now it also has a hook here for a little carabiner attachment, and it comes with one of those in the bag. Now it also comes with a cleaning tool that makes it easy for you to keep your AirPods clean. Now something that this case also comes with is some adhesive on the inside. You could pull this little adhesive strip off that was not attached very well from the factory. I mean, it's just kind of at a weird angle, but I would pull that off, get my AirPods nice and aligned inside of that case, and then press to make sure that that applied so that the adhesive held the case on the AirPods and it didn't slip around. So I don't know. I mean, I like this case just because it's simple and clean and it's a very nice silicone case. However, I don't like the fact that that adhesive was so poorly placed. And then even though I do like the USB-C door here, I have to dig my finger in there to get it open. So while this case is nice, it looks nice and it feels really good, I feel like it's lacking in a couple of design choices that just make it a little bit frustrating to use.